From incomplete records part 12. In previous class we have studied what is a total creditors account and its format. Bills payable account is related to that account. So for the person who draws a bill of exchange and get it back after its due date is bills receivable. This you know already. So the person who draws the bill, we will say that is a bills receivable. The person who accepts the bill, it is a bills payable. In this context, we have to see on both the sides of the coin. One person draws a bill, another person is accept the bills. Who draws the bills means that case is bills receivable. Accepts the bills means that is bills payable. Let me explain with a simple example. Mamta is a seller who sold the goods worth of 10,000 to Jyoti and draw a bill of exchange upon her for the same amount after payable after 3 months. Here Mamta is the drawer of the bill and Jyoti is a drawee. So Mamta is a seller who draws the bill of rupees 10,000. So Jyoti is a drawee. Mamta can receive the payment in way of 3 ways. So the first one is the Mamta retain the bill for 3 months and receive the amount on the due date, and she will become the payee of that bill. Okay, is it clear? Case number 1, Mamta can retain the bill. Case number 2, Mamta can pass or endorse the bill to the creditor. Case number 3, the Mamta can get the bill discounted from the bank. In these 3 ways, she can retain the money. How she will retain or get back the money? First thing, in case number 1, if the Mamta is retained the bill for 3 months, then the Mamta will be the payee. Second case, she will forward that bill to creditor, to her creditor, remember, to her creditor Ruchi. Then Ruchi will be the payee here. Case number 3, the same Mamta can get the bill discounted from the bank. That bank will become the payee. Can understand? So in these 3 ways, the Mamta can receive the money. So what is bills payable account? This one we already discussed. Purchased goods on credit means what entry we will make? Purchase account debtor to creditors account we will make. Remember children, this is the books of debtors. Who is the debtor here? We are the debtors here. Okay, is it clear? So we make purchase. Okay, is it clear? So we make the credit purchase. So we are the debtors. Okay, is it clear? Purchase of goods on credit, purchase account debtor to creditors account. This one we already discussed. See the bills payable account. So bills payable account is a liability. That's why we are writing the opening balance in the credit side of the bills payable account. Okay. So opening balance credit side means opposite will be the closing. So to balance carried down, closing balance in the credit side of the bills payable account. Next thing, accepting the bill. The creditor is accepting the R bill. Okay, so clear. What entry you will make? Creditors account debtor to bills payable. Okay, so bills payable account is the account. So another account is creditors account. So creditors account in the debit. So if we accepted the bills, that we have to write in the credit side of the bills payable account. Okay, so clear. So bills payable account, creditors account is in the debit side. So that will be posted in the ledger by creditors account in the credit side of the bills payable account. Okay. Then the accepted bills means credit side means automatically dishonored means it is in the opposite side. So to creditors account, dishonored. Okay, so clear. Accepted means credit if you are writing, reverse entry only. So okay, so to creditors account, bills payable, dishonored in the debit side. Next thing, maturity of the bill, or we can say payment. Okay, so bills payable account debtor to bank. So bills payable account on maturity of the date, what entry we will make? Bills payable account debtor to bank. So in bills payable account, credit it is to bank means that we have to write in the debit. It may be of bank or it may be of cash. Okay, so we are paying either we pay in bill or in the bank. or a cash or in a bank. So bills payable account data to bank account. Is it clear? Another thing, accepting the bills we are writing here, no? Creditors account data to bills payable account. In bills payable account, we have written by bills payable account. Sorry, by sundry creditors, the credit side of the bills payable account. The same way, the creditors account also we have to write. So, to bills payable account is credit. So, we have to write in the debit side. So, to bills payable in the debit side. Okay, is it clear? So creditors account data to bills payable. In bills payable account we have written creditors. Like the same way creditors account we have to write to bills payable in the debit side. So that's why we have written here. So to bills payable credit side. Let me recap once again. So bills payable account, it is related to the creditors account. That's why we are preparing bills payable account also. Why we are preparing? In order to find out, sometimes creditors we will find out, sometimes balance of the bills payable account we will find out. That's why either missing figure or closing balance they will ask. For that only we are preparing this bills payable. Bills payable account is a credit balance, a liability. Since it's liability, that's why we are writing the by balance brought down. So brought down opening means opposite side closing. So to balance carried down. Accepting, while we are accepting the bill, what entry we will make? Creditors account data to bills payable we will write. Okay, so to bills payable that you have to write. Okay, so in bills payable account, another account is creditors. It is in debit. That's why we are writing sundry creditors in the credit. Accepted, if we are writing in the credit side means dishonored, we have to write in the opposite side. So two creditors. So bills payable, dishonored. So maturity of the bills payable account data to bank account. So in bills payable account, another account is to bank, so that you have to write in the debit side to cash or bank. So bills paid, we are paying bill. Okay, is it clear? So this is the case regarding bills payable account. So thank you children.